In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can review and adjust the custom metadata tags of your spreadsheet in Excel, which is just basically the pieces of information about your spreadsheet that's not necessarily within the document itself, such as who was the author of the file, who last modified the file, who reviewed the file, who is the file for, what department is the file for, and so on and so forth. To do this, you can go to File, then down to Info. And over to the right, you're seeing an option for properties where you can click on this right here. And you can click on advanced properties. And you're going to want to go to the custom box right here where we can add a metadata tag like so, which will show up in this field right here. Or if we're in File Explorer, we can see it under properties there as well. So as you can see, we can add a bunch of different pieces of information about the spreadsheet, which can help us keep track of who it is for. So let's just say I want it to add a department. I can add a department, and I can add a type where it can be a text, date, number, yes or no. Let's say I want this to be text, and I want this to be for accounting. And then I click OK. And now if I go to properties, advanced properties, it will then show the department is for accounting. And add another tag right here by clicking on properties again, advanced properties, and I can, for example, add a date completed with a date field of today's date, which is 11/30/2025. Click OK. And now there's another property of the date completed. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.